Well, we spent the day today in the Mâconnais. It's actually close to where we used to live 25 years ago, and where we first began to appreciate the variety and the quality of Burgundies, both red and white. We're an hour south of the Côte d'Or here, but there are superb winemakers here, and there is excellent wine made, and you have to go looking for it sometimes, but boy is it here.
It's funny, we spent started this trip in Bordeaux, which is 10 times the size of Burgundy. And so by comparison, Burgundy seems quite small. But between going up to Chablis, and we spent yesterday in the Côte de Nuits, and now we're down here a full hour south, the number of expressions of Burgundy and of just these two grapes, Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, is remarkable. From crisp, cool Chablis to richer, fleshier whites from down here, and then the range of reds that we tasted yesterday. It's remarkable, the diversity, even in such a very small region.
Yesterday we were up in the Côte de Nuits for two tastings in Nuits Saint-Georges and in Morey Saint-Denis, both 2022s, and all of them were just terrific wines. After lunch we drove down to Givry for a newish producer down there who's making wonderful wines, a barrel tasted mostly as 23s. This morning we were in the Mâconnais, so we started in Puy-Fouissé with Sébastien Giroux and then Pierre Vessigode. Give us a nice tour of their winery, and then after lunch we headed to Cantan to another producer, and then finally over to Verzay to see Nicolas Maillet, and all of them making just wonderful, very vibrant, very organic, delicious wines.
Well, tomorrow's our last day of tasting, and as you can see, it's sunny and pleasant this afternoon. A few clouds coming up now. This week has thrown every March weather trick at us that Burgundy has, and it's a lot of them. We had rain this morning when we left Beaune to drive an hour south. We had hail on our way back from Chablis last Saturday, and everything in between. So, March in Burgundy.
Tomorrow's our last day here. We're going to be in the Beaujolais, and then back up in the Côte de Beaune for our final day of tasting. And that's it for our 7th tasting update. We'll see you back here tomorrow for one more time.